Photoroom, make transparent background. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process, locate and click Google Chrome on your screen to open the web browser. Once the browser is open, move your cursor to the search bar at the top of Google Chrome and click inside the bar so you can enter a web address or search term. Next, type Photoroom into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. When the results appear, look for the top result labeled Photoroom.com and click it to open the official website. After the website loads, find the button labeled Start Creating for Free and click it to begin using the platform. On the next page, click the Sign In option so you can access the tools. If you do not already have an account, choose Continue with Personal or Work Email to create one using your email address. A form will appear asking for your email, so carefully enter your email address in the provided field and then click Magic Code. After doing this, open your email inbox in a new tab or window and look for the message sent by Photoroom. Inside the email, find the verification code and note the code shown in the message. Return to the Photoroom page and enter the code into the field provided below the email entry area. Once you have entered the code correctly, click Continue with Magic Code to confirm your login. After this step, your account will be successfully created and you will be signed into the platform. Now locate the AI Tools section and click it to view the available tools. When the page opens, scroll down through the list of tools until you find the option called Background Remover, and then select it. Next, choose the image you want to edit from your computer folder and click Open to upload it to the website. The tool will automatically process the image and remove the background for you. When the result appears, go to the top right corner of the page and click Download. Choose the standard option, then click Download again to save the image. After the download is complete, click the downloaded file to open it and confirm that the background has been removed properly before using or sharing the edited image for your project or any other purpose you need.